You're watching the Weiss channel. Today, we're going to do confidence intervals for means. For example, a text message survey took a random sample of 39 students and found a mean of 184 messages per day, with a standard deviation of 77 messages. Determine a 95% confidence interval for the mean, rounding all values to the nearest whole number. Okay, so we're going to use this formula here, margin of error. This z-score, since we have a 95% confidence interval, okay, 95%, this z is going to be 2, right? And each one of the problems in this Delta Math assignment is going to be 95% confidence interval, so this z will always be 2. Of course, if it was the 68%, that would be a z of 1, right? Because 1 standard deviation is 68%. 3 standard deviations would be if it was 99.7%, okay? But this is 95%. So z times s divided by the square root of n. S is the standard deviation, and n is the number, in this case, 39 students, okay? So we're gonna take 2 times 77 divided by square root of 39, gives you 24.6597, which rounds to 25, because it has to be the nearest whole number, okay? So now we're gonna take the mean, which is 184, right? That was in the problem, 184 messages, that was the mean, okay? You need to take 184 minus 25 and 184 plus 25, which gives you 159 and 209. That is your confidence interval. A study examined SAT scores of a random sample of 126 seniors. Okay. The mean was 446, standard deviation was 114. Estimate a 95% confidence interval for the mean to the nearest tenth. Okay, once again, using this formula. So z is 2 times 114 divided by square root of 126. You get 20.312. To the nearest tenth is 20.3. So you're going to take that 446 and you're going to do 446 minus 20.3 and 446 plus 20.3. That gives you your confidence interval of 425.7 and 466.3. Right. A money saving study surveyed a random sample of 65 students with a mean of $4,700 in savings and a standard deviation of 1,300. Estimate a 95% confidence interval for the mean to the nearest whole number. Once again, we use this formula, okay? Z is 2. 13 times 1,300 divided by square root of 65 gives you 322.490. The nearest whole number is 322. So you're going to do 4,700 minus 322 and 4,700 plus 322, giving you 4378 and 4822. You've been watching the Weiss channel.